Life is full. It's hard to find time to exercise, and I'm just here at my son's soccer game this morning, and I'm going to go for a run while I'm waiting for them to start, while they're warming up. Lots of opportunities exist, spaces where you'd normally just be sitting down. One of the obstacles, of course, is it can look a bit weird, feel a bit weird going off on your own to do it, but there's a lot of other people I find that feel similar. They know they should exercise, don't have time, and you could try inviting a friend to do it with you. There's grass ovals like this all over the place. Great place to go running, nice and flat, easy on your body. If you're a little bit injured like I am at the moment, you can really control your distance and the time you're running for. You can stop as soon as you start to feel sore. So I definitely recommend trying to fit in a bit of oval running. Might seem a bit boring, but ways around that. Run with someone else. Once you start adding a few intervals in, like half a lap at a time, even a couple of laps at faster paces, the time does go quickly. The laps are 400 meters usually on a standard oval, but if you're running one of the outer lanes, you get a little bit extra. You can get up to 420 meters per lap, which sort of is psychologically pretty good. So what I'm going to aim to do this morning is probably 8Ks. A few Ks warm up, just done one. Do 2Ks to warm up the body. It's very important not to hit the speed straight away. And then I'm going to have a go at doing, just nice, easy 5 minutes at sort of a harder pace. In this case, a marathon race pace. About a minute per K quicker than my normal pace in this stage of my training. And 5 minutes on, and then a lap recovery, and then another 5 minutes, and do 3 or 4 of them depending on how the body's feeling. I think you don't want to be too fixed on a particular speed or distance or time. You want to listen to your body more than anything. Have a goal, but then be willing to adjust. That's important, so you don't get injured pushing more than you should when your body's telling you slow down or that's enough. One of the things that can slow you down and stop you from running, I think, is the feeling of pressure. You've got a set distance you want to run, and you can't fit in that 10K run that you want to do. And that's like me today. I won't quite be able to fit in 10Ks, but just get out there and do something. 8Ks, that's going to be alright. Might be able to squeeze 8Ks in. Even if it's 6 or 7, you've still done something. Just don't worry about the distance. Time's often a better goal anyway. Run for 30 minutes, run for 20 minutes, 40 minutes an hour. Just that consistency of, I'm going to get out and do a run 3 times a week. 3 times a week is a good amount, but perhaps you might think about slightly more or less, whatever you can fit in, but 3 is good. And you just go out, I'm going to run 3 times a week. If I miss one day, that's alright. At least I've got that in my calendar. It's enough to get you fit. It's enough to keep that habit going. And if you can only get out for a K, even 2Ks, 10 minutes one day, that's alright. Keeps the habit going, keeps your body used to the running. Very important we don't let our goal distance goal pace, goal time deter us from actually doing a run. So I'm going to start with my nice easy session today, 5 minutes at a time, 1 lap rest in between, and see how it goes. No pressure today. Done my 2k warm up, and we'll just see how it goes. I'm out here getting a run in. That's the win. Anything else is just a bonus. I'll start on this line. And I'll just not start too fast. I'll work into it. Don't need to hit the goal pace straight away. I'm just gonna try and feel fast, and then check the watch half a lap in to see how I'm going with the pace I'd set. But run to feel is more important than run to pace, because so many variables: the surface you're running on, the temperature, how you're feeling, the shoes you're wearing. So more important than the particular pace is the feeling, and if you're feeling faster, feels comfortably fast, then you're probably doing all right. I'm just picking up the pace, getting the body used to that faster pace in short amounts, so I'm not going to get injured, so that my body adjusts and adapts slowly over time. It's a long-term game. So I hope that encourages you. You want to think about more your motivations for running, maybe even motivations when things aren't going well. You're not as fast as you want to be or used to be. Check out the video I made at a recent race about that. If you've enjoyed this and you're someone that's looking to get into running or keep going with running, it's very time efficient for people living busy lives. You might not enjoy it yet. I'm here to help you find ways to enjoy running, and you can check out my website, Run Free Coaching, or subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.